In this video, we'll go over Orion protocol. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is Orion protocol? The Orion protocol was designed to aggregate the liquidity of multiple crypto exchanges into a decentralized platform that provides a singular, non-custodial gateway into the entire digital asset market. It was founded in 2018 and launched in 2020 by Alexei Koloskov, in an attempt to solve some of the major issues of the decentralized finance space. Orion aims to solve the difficulties in performing profitable transactions associated with the lack of liquidity on the majority of crypto exchanges. This is the case for both centralized and decentralized exchanges. Orion's solution to this is to aggregate exchanges' order books into one simple-to-use and understand terminal. The Orion protocol's goal is to help users get the best returns out of their investments while also lowering the risks associated with using multiple exchanges. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. The Orion protocol operates through collecting the liquidity that is on offer on multiple exchanges within the crypto market and showcasing it in a single universal API. This API combines multiple order books and streamlines them for ease of use. Orion protocol also offers a portfolio management application that allows users to monitor and record their activity across exchanges, provides them with the ability to set alarms for opportunities, and automates asset management. Additionally, Orion provides a marketplace for decentralized applications that users can easily access and purchase. The Orion token is the native utility token of the Orion protocol based on the ERC-20 standard. Its supply is capped at 100 million ORN. ORN can be used in the Orion terminal and for decentralized brokerage. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $8 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.